Hey, what's up guys? Kel Esteban here. Today's a good one, especially if you're into overlanding or moto camping like I am. I finally pulled the trigger on the MotoTent by Lone Rider. And we're gonna unbox it, set it up, and we'll share our first impressions. Let's go! First thing you'll notice, the pack size. It's about 60 by 20 centimeters and weighs just under 5.4 kilograms or around 11.9 pounds. Not ultra light, but considering the space and coverage it gives, it's actually pretty manageable for long-haul riders. We've got the tent body, the fly sheet, black aluminum poles. These are high quality, lightweight but strong, and a full set of pegs and guidelines. This version's called the MotoTent version 2 and it's made with ripstop nylon 210T and a 5000mm waterproof rating on the fly sheet. So yeah, this thing is ready for bad weather. Lone Rider claims it can be set up in under 7 minutes, even solo. Well, in our case, it's just less than 5 minutes. We love that the poles are color coded. It really does make setup easier. And the vestibule, it's really massive. It's around 270 centimeters long, which gives you more than enough room to park your bike and still chill or cook under shelter. And the inner sleeping area, you're looking at 220 by 100 centimeters with a height of 135 centimeters. That means I can sit up inside without hunching over like a goblin. So here we go. Here's a fully set up MotoTent from Lone Rider. So first impressions, this thing's a beast. Solid construction, smart layout, and I love that the vestibule keeps your bike and gear sheltered. That's a game changer in the rain. It's not the lightest of the tents, but if you're overlanding like us and doing long distance moto trips across the Philippines, comfort and durability matter more. Honestly, I can already tell this is going to be my go-to tent for weekend escapes, especially using my Honda City Trail CT125 and Yamaha PG1. So watch out for our upcoming vlogs using MotoTent by Lone Rider. And of course, I just want to say thanks to Lennon Roses and Ricardo Roses for helping us set up this tent. And if you're thinking of getting a proper MotoTent, this might be the one that you're looking for. Right, that's all folks for today's unboxing. I'll be doing a full review after maybe a couple of nights in the wild. First, hit the notification bell and subscribe if you want to see how this tent holds up in really harsh conditions. Hopefully not harsh, not too harsh. Oh, your thoughts and opinions right down in the comment section below. Stay safe, camp wild, and see you in the next one. Sumayin nyo nawa ang kapayapaan.